Hello from Workshops and Events. This is video number 5 in our help series. It's called Parent-Teacher Meetings, A Parent's Perspective. The intended audience is parents and schools in the K-12 division. At this point, the school has created the parent-teacher meetings and sent the email invitation to parents. The parents click the link from the email, which brings them to the home page of the parent-teacher event. I will simulate this by pasting in the link that the parent would have clicked in the email. I'll do that. This brings them to the event homepage, so the parent can now book an appointment by either clicking the Book Appointment button here, the Appointments link here, or the Schedule link here. We will use the Book Appointment link, which brings us to the Book Appointment page. Here you will see Show Schedule. Of course, right now there is no schedule to show because no bookings have been placed. In the case of this parent-teacher event, video meetings are available, so a parent could choose to attend in person or by video. Let's book Miss Farah Janes, the math high school teacher. When we click the down arrow, we get a list of the available appointments. You will note that in this case, Miss Farah is full at 1 p.m. and 1:20. There are openings from 1:40 through to 4 p.m. So the parent would choose a convenient time and click the book. At this point, this is the parent's first time to the site, so they will need to fill the form, which will register them and book their appointment. So in this case, the student name, we'll say, is John Smith. And the parent's first name is Frank. Last name, Smith. His email is franksmith@home.com. This enables the system to send Mr. Smith an email updating him about appointments and any changes that might happen. The parent can enter a home phone. It's not required, but it might help the teacher reach them if necessary. Anything we should know? In this case, John will be with me. So the parent is saying that the student will come with them. And in this sample, I will attend the meeting in person or by video conference. In this one, we'll elect to go in person. We're going to fill a password. The requirement is 6 to 15 characters, 1 lowercase, 1 uppercase. So I'll just paste in this for now. And click Register. So this registers the appointment. Meet the teacher, grade, Math High School, 17th, from 1:40 to 2 p.m. Location is the Math Center. This is the room where the parent-teacher interview will take place. We can return to registration to sort another meeting. You'll notice now that there's a schedule. So right now, the teacher is Farah Janes. The meeting is in person, and it begins at 1:40 and goes till 2 p.m. Student is John Smith, grade Math High School, and this is the room. If the parent needs to cancel this, maybe there was a mistake, they can click the cancel button and simply cancel the meeting. Let's go forward and book another meeting with Mr. Gordon Forward. He's grade 5. So we'll look here. This calendar with the X indicates that the parent already has a meeting scheduled at 1:40. So probably not a good idea to schedule 2. Actually, the system won't let you schedule 2 in the same slot, but it's a reminder of which ones you've already booked. So let's book the next one, Mr. Gordon, in grade 5. And this time, the student will be John's sister, Darlene. Darlene Smith. You'll notice that your first name, last name, the parent's first name is already there because they've gone through this process before. In this case, we'll book a video conference. So I will attend this meeting by video conference. Click Register. The system will register the parent, and you can see meet the teacher, grade 5, so on, from 2 to 2 p.m. If we view the schedule now, the parent schedule that is, you'll notice that the first meeting is in person from 1:40 to 2, and the second meeting is by video. And a parent can attend this meeting on the day, which was Friday, March 17th, by simply clicking the video link, and this will hook them up directly with the teacher. Nothing else is required. Also, at this point, the parent would have received an email with this link for the video meeting in it. Let's click the appointments here. Again, let's click one more. Miss Carla. You'll notice that now 1:40 is gone, 2 p.m. is gone, meaning that Miss Carla is available, but the parent is not, because these two meetings are reflective of these two X's on the calendar. But let's book Miss Carla here, and we'll keep Darlene this time, and we'll have an in-person for Darlene, and nothing we should know, we can leave that blank. We'll just register this one, and when we view the schedule now, we can see that there are 3 meetings, 2 in person and 1 by video. The first meeting is for John, and the other 2 are for his sister, Darlene. A parent can elect to print the schedule if they want to by clicking the print button, which actually downloads a PDF which they can print. It's right here. Parent-teacher schedule, Frank Smith, from 1:40 to 2 and so on, gives them the details of their schedule for the day. And that's it from a parent's perspective right now. And we'll be back with another video about managing your appointments.